Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Chibi May here. If you are new, welcome and please subscribe and join this community. In this video guys, you will see how we celebrated our Easter Monday here in Spain. I baked the cake guys the night before, and as you can see that Lakota is trying to decorate her cake. Guys, these are the monas of my two little girls. Yes, so this is the mona of Hailey and this one is Lakota's guys. Yes, kasi guys, here in Spain, pag ninong or ninang ka, you have to give monas to your mga inaanak guys. So kasi because of the situation like this, so we made it guys. Yes, it's made of chocolate. This one guys, yeah, the fondant is also chocolate. Yes, or covered with chocolate, but inside guys is with lemon, a little bit of lemon this one, but with Hailey is just natural, nothing, no other flavors. Yes. Hello guys, today is Monday 13th, I think 13th, I'm not sure. Yeah, 13th April guys, and yeah, it's Easter Monday here in Spain. And today guys is Easter Monday here in Spain, and we are going to celebrate the Mona guys is, yes, the cake. The godparents, they're going to give cake for their godchildren guys. But because of the situation, I baked the cake and we are now decorating it guys. Yes, and this one is for Hailey, this one is for Lakota. Yeah. What else would you like? And then we're going to put egg later guys. Yes, yes darling. And this one is for Lakota. Let mommy put it, okay? Lakota. Yes, the chicken. Yes, so where can we put Lakota? Lakota decorated her what? Why? Ooh, so nice, so cute. Lakota, do you like it? So one for Hailey and one for Lakota guys. So this is Hailey's one. Yes, but we missed the eggs, right Hailey? Yes, and that's for Lakota guys. It's very simple, just the symbol of the Mona guys. So after decorating guys the kids cake, and now it's time to clean up the kitchen. As you can tell that it's quite messy. The footage while we were eating the Mona or the cake guys, or the Easter cake, I put at the end of the video, and I hope guys you will stay and watch till the end. So let's get started cleaning up the kitchen guys. The first thing that I did, I kept all the clean plates and everything guys, and then after that I loaded the dishwasher with the dirty ones and hand wash all the things that don't need to the dishwasher.
is a winding road.
So we had the mona for dessert, guys, in lunchtime, and then in the afternoon I cooked the pancit bihon or fideos and roasted chicken, guys, for dinner.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Now it's time to cook, and I am preparing, guys, all the ingredients for our pancit bihon.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting.
So guys, here are our ingredients for our pancit bihon, guys. Yes, I already chopped the green beans, carrots, and red bell peppers, and also the onion, garlic, and cabbage. So guys, let's put the garlic.
If I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind.
Now let's put the onion.
High, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down. The sky is falling.
And then followed the rest of the vegetables, guys, such as the green beans, and then the cabbage, and then the carrots, and then the red bell pepper. And of course we have to put light soy sauce.
Even if the sky is falling down.
While cutting the vegetables, guys, I already soaked the noodles, or the fideos, they call it here in Spain, fideos. And now I will just add it into the mixture or to the vegetables, then mixed.
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time.
So guys, my noodles or pancit bihon is already cooked, so let's eat. Our roast chicken is already roasted, so let's cut it.
Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on.
So this is our chicken, guys, roast chicken and pancit bihon. So guys, let's eat everyone.
Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off
So guys, I am feeding Lakota because every time she eats pancit bihon guys or fideos is quite messy. That's why I prefer to feed her.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm
hello guys, hello. So this is how we celebrate Mona or the Easter cake here in Spain. Cheers. Daddy finishes. Spider.
Bravo. No.
Cheers. Because we cannot go out and buy, so we prepared this Mona for Hailey. This one is for Hailey. So nice, huh, Hailey? Yes. And the other one is for Lakota. Yes. Wow. So nice.
Wait, we need wet shoes. Wet tissues.
I could stop the time, don't you know that I would design. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Okay, so let's take out the feathers, no? Daddy?
Yes.
I'm loving this moment.
Let's take out, so we
Can
take
we
out the
stay
feathers.
here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Oh no! Lakota ate the head of the hen.
Wow,
Poor hen.
Pero qué bestia según la situación, ¿no?
Yeah. Okay, so let's see.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
So my husband tried to put Lakota in her high chair guys to sit, but she didn't like it. Thank you all so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and hope to see you again guys with a brand new video. Bye and stay safe always.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?